How to customize the Kindle Premium Pen shortcut button. The feature that makes Kindle Scribe unique is its pen functionality. Kindle Scribe comes in two types, the basic pen and the premium pen. Both attach magnetically, no setup or charge required, to Kindle Scribe, but the premium pen has a built-in eraser and shortcut button. To customize premium pen's shortcut button, touch the top of the screen, go to All Settings, Pen, and then Pen Shortcuts. Here you can assign functions like highlighter, eraser, or open a new sticky note. The sticky note shortcut will be the most useful if your primary use case for the Kindle Scribe is reading ebooks. However, if you're getting the Scribe to primarily mark up PDF documents and take notes, consider using the highlighter or eraser feature. Extra tip 1. If you're wondering if the pen comes with replacement tips, it does. There is a little pack of 5 in the box. Extra tip 2. Kindle Scribe pens are actually a Wacom stylus, so this means you can use other Wacom styluses on the Kindle Scribe.